Hey guys, Godswill Ezugu here. If it's the first time of coming to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get more amazing videos from this. Okay, for those of you that are following me right from my WhatsApp community, you all know that recently my WhatsApp started misbehaving. That's what I would say. All right, so my WhatsApp started hanging. I was not able to teach on my status like I used to do. So I want to share with you all the processes I have used recently to overcome that challenge. All right, so the first thing I did was I opened up a second space on my Redmi device. I use Redmi Note 10 Pro, okay, and the second space is actually available on any Redmi device and in some other phone, so you can check out your phone to check if it's available. All right, so what you're just going to do, check out on YouTube how to create second space on Redmi device or any other device. Some other device calls it second user. All right, so I did that, created my second space, and in that second space all I did was to install only my WhatsApp business. So I didn't install any other app apart from the app that came in with the phone in that second space. So when I did that, I downloaded one app from Play Store. The app helped me to delete multiple contacts on my WhatsApp. The app helped me to delete contacts that are without phone number. The app also helped me to filter several contacts that are causing my WhatsApp to hang. All right, so that is it. All right, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because I created a WhatsApp marketing course concerning this. All right, not just to show you how to delete your WhatsApp contacts or filter them, but I also showed you in that course different WhatsApp automation systems you can use as a digital marketer. Are you an affiliate marketer? I'm going to show you all the processes I have used myself to grow my WhatsApp status to more than 1,000 viewers, and the problem that arises as a result of having this number of status, how I was able to solve them. So in this WhatsApp marketing bundle, you'll be getting access to WhatsApp automation systems. I'm going to show you how to use Cognitoform. Now, I told several people on my WhatsApp the reason I regret using Cognitoform. All right, I shared it even in this course. It's good to use Cognitoform to, it's good to use Cognitoform to save your contacts, but that is not actually the best thing to use. This is the reason. Let me share with you. Well, if you are using Cognitoform or you have used Cognitoform before, you will notice that when you want to delete all the contacts that you got through Cognitoform, it will be very hard because most times some of them will give you their real name. There's no acronym that you use in saving them. For example, for me, if I want to save people that came into my graphic design class, I will save them with GC and now write the person's name. I'm also able to do this using one of the apps that I reviewed in the WhatsApp marketing bundle course. All right. So, but if you're using Cognitoform, you will not be able to do all this. And if your phone starts hanging, you will not be able to delete them and you will be suffering. You will end up deleting important numbers that you don't want to delete. All right, because most time when you're running a free class and people are coming in through Cognitoform, later on they will not buy from you, and it will be difficult for you to maybe delete them from your contacts since they don't want to buy from you. They are not even following your status. All right, but if you are using the new app that I discovered, when people don't buy from you, I can actually just go right there and delete all their contacts, as many as they are. All right, that's one of the beauty of the app I found out. You can trust me. Anything you see me selling or sharing about WhatsApp marketing, it's something that I have used myself before I bring it out in the open. All right, so you'll be getting access to Cognitoform, how to even use Universal Copy, WhatsApp 2, and different other apps that I've mentioned. All right, so I'm also going to show you how to set auto reply chatbot. Like, you don't need to be always online to reply people. All right, let's say you are running Facebook advert. When your Facebook advert is going, all right, so you don't need to be online in order to reply everybody that is coming into your DM. I'll show you how to set up automated responses. Okay, then I'm also show you how you can teach in more than 10 groups on WhatsApp at the same time. All right, these are the things I've done myself. I have well detailed practical tutorials on these. Okay, so if you want to gain access to this WhatsApp marketing bundle, there is a link in the description below. Just click on that link. It will lead you to my DM and everything you need to know about the WhatsApp marketing bundle. All right, if you have any question about this, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be there to attend to you. Until then, see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that like button if you enjoyed this informative video. All right, bye-bye.